A flash crash in crypto. Did you see what happened? $170 million of Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum all got liquidated. Who could have warned you about this? Well, this was me just 2 days ago warning that the exchange is not happy and they're going to try to push prices down. So Bitcoin probably going to hit support at 41.3K. And what happened? So Bitcoin tanked to 41.6K, then bounced up. Pretty close, huh? That said, Ethereum's going down, but its support is at the 2150 area, 2150. And what happened? It then went down to 2178, also pretty close before a major bounce. But is this pullback, is this big dip over? Yes, I was the one who called a bull market in altcoins has started, right, about 7 weeks ago, right, in altcoins. Because Bitcoin, I've already said at the start of this year in January, right, that a small bull market or a big bounce in Bitcoin has already started. But for altcoins, it's different, right? They're the smaller coins like Pepe, Doge, or Cardano, right? Their bull market started about 7 weeks ago. Although I remain bullish, but what I'm trying to tell you guys is that we are being set up for probably a decent pullback for now, just before the ETF gets announced by the SEC. Why is that? Well, that's because the market is red hot right now, and that's only good for the traders, but not so good for the exchanges. Because when all the traders are going long, right, say because everyone bought the dip, right? Everyone listened to Pablo, it appears, and bought the dip and made Bitcoin bottom at the 41.5, 41.6 area, right, as per my call. And when you do that, basically, then everyone's going long and everyone's using a lot of leverage in that case. And when everyone's doing that, then basically the exchange has to take the other side of the trade. The exchange has to go short. And if prices keep on pumping like this, especially if the ETF gets announced, then basically, let's say Bitcoin pops to 48K, 50K, and Ethereum goes to 2,700 or even over 3,000 from here. And a lot of the altcoins go through the roof. Then what happens? Then the exchange is going to lose a lot, because then the traders who went 10x leverage, 20x leverage, even 50x leverage, then they're basically going to be like, going to the exchange saying, now pay up. How can the exchanges, right, pay up to everybody like this? And even after that decent pullback, right, a couple of days ago, the market is still red hot. Look at this. This is the futures funding rate, right? A normal funding rate is like 0.01, but all of this, right, is pretty much still red hot, right? So that's why it's in red, right? In green is when it's negative. This is all very much red hot. So because there are all these leveraged long traders still in there, and in fact their open interest or trading volume is still going up, therefore what that means is basically they will win a lot if Bitcoin and Ethereum and the altcoins get a big rally or pump if the SEC approves in the ETF in about, say, 12 days from now. Now, therefore, the exchanges are gonna be the counterparty and lose a lot. So the exchanges would want to spike the prices down, and I'm not saying keeping it down there, I'm saying like a V-shaped bottom, like a quick wick, spike down for like maybe just an hour or two, clear out, liquidate all the long positions, and then make it bounce up. So as per my original forecast, I think a spike down to 40K, like a quick wick down, or even into the 30s, like 39K, is entirely possible. What happens next? Follow Pablo for more.